Hey, it's Owen here from Rotor. Today we are going to learn how to make NFTs super quick using rotorvideos.com. I'm also going to show you how to set up your first Ethereum account. I'm going to show you how to buy some Ethereum. I'm going to show you how to take that NFT you're going to make with Rotor Videos and put it on the marketplace, mint it, and have it ready to be sold. Okay, let's go. So first of all, if we can have a look at Rotor Videos here, we're going to make our NFT with Rotor. So what your NFT is kind of up to you. It can be any kind of piece of digital media, um, but we are today going to make a very short kind of music video clip, which we're then going to sell as an NFT. So we're going to create a new video, and we're going to select your track. So select your track. I pretty much, it's kind of probably a good idea if you're going to sell NFTs to start selling little clips of your songs. So you could hypothetically sell a few different clips as a few different NFTs, and you can use them as little promos. So with that in mind, we're going to create an NFT about 30 seconds long. So once your audio is uploaded here, we're going to trim audio, and you can select 30 seconds down here and that will shorten the envelope here to 30 seconds. So then you can choose which 30 seconds of your song you want to work with. So I'm going to grab this up. Okay. Cool. So this part of the song I know I'm going to use to make my NFT. Now we're going to choose a style. So people familiar with Rotor Videos will be already familiar with this kind of stuff. But if you're not familiar with Rotor Videos, it's super easy to create video clips. We got tons of styles here. So, go through them, see which one you like. We've got quite kind of very busy, crazy ones. We've got really minimal styles. And we got styles that are suited for artwork. So say you have a piece of artwork that you like or you're using for your release, you can upload that. And these styles are designed to work with just a still. We've got stuff that looks like VHS, stuff that's got lots of motion graphics in it. So for this particular one, I'm going to choose this style Cassiopeia, which kind of does these cool kind of very bright saturated color effects, among other things, to the pieces of video. So, and I'm going to make a square shaped video. So choose a square shape, choose a style, and hit next. So now I got to choose my clips. So it's only going to be 30 seconds, so you don't need a huge amount of clips to fill up 30 seconds. So I'm gonna keep it to nature. Make a nice kind of colorful nature video. I like all these kind of drone clips. Maybe I'll take a kind of this drone clip here. I might grab this clip of water. It's a nice clip of some birds here and some flowers. Okay, so I'm going to preview that. Okay, our preview's rendered here. Okay, it looks pretty cool. When you render a preview in Rotor, it's quite a low res preview, so you need to download it. You need to purchase it or become a subscriber in order to download a full version, full res quality without our watermark on it. So you can do a one-time purchase for $9, or you can subscribe and save for $9 per month. There's other things that you can pay annually and get it for $6 a month. So there's lots of ways of downloading. Okay, so the next thing you got to do is, if you don't already have one, you need a wallet. So in order to use Ethereum, which is the cryptocurrency that you need to use to sell NFTs, you need some sort of crypto wallet. I've been using MetaMask. Seems like as good as any other. If it's pretty easy to use, so if you haven't used cryptocurrency before, it's pretty straightforward to download and install. So when you have downloaded and installed it, you can see your account. You can see here I'm part of the Ethereum mainnet. I've put on about I've got about $160 on my personal Ethereum account here. The one thing about NFTs is that you do have to pay to mint them. So you do need about $80 worth of Ethereum on your account. So that will change time to time. The best thing to do is put about $100 on your account if you want to start selling NFTs. And you can do that by in MetaMask, checking out your wallet here and hitting buy, and they've got a pretty straightforward way of, you go to Wire and you can put in your debit card details and buy some Ethereum. So once you've got that all sorted out, you should, when you download it, it should hook into your browser. So you'll have a little MetaMask icon in your browser that will be detected. So in order to post your NFTs, there's plenty of marketplaces to do that with. So we're going to use OpenSea. OpenSea has a one-off register activation fee, which instead of ongoing gas fees, which you have to pay every time you create an NFT. So that works out kind of well. If you're going to create a lot of NFTs, that kind of works out. So we're going to use it's also a pretty big marketplace, so we're going to use OpenSea. You can have a look around what people are selling. I recommend that. But it's really straightforward for this platform to start selling NFTs. So if you just hit create, first thing you got to do is you got to create a collection. So I'm going to create a new collection. So you need a logo for the collection. Just going to grab, I've got a still here, so I'm going to use that logo as a still. I'm going to go new release NFTs, description, NFTs I'm selling NFTs as part of my new release. So we're going to create that NFT, or new NFT collection. And now we can add items to this collection. So once we're inside the collection here, we can go to add new item. So first of all, we're going to add the item that we're going to sell. So I've paid for my video, Rotor videos. Here it is here. I'm going to play it back. It's pretty cool. I'm going to download that as a 1080p video. Okay, so I've downloaded, and now I'm going to upload it again from my downloads folder here. If you noticed, max size is 100 megs for this. The reason it's maximum size is because OpenSea will host your digital item. So when you do mint when you do create the NFT is essentially like, kind of a link basically to this item to say that this is the item that you own. But OpenSea will host that particular file. So when the user, if somebody buys it, they can easily access the file. So I'm gonna call this song A. Okay, so you can also put an external link. So if your NFT is selling something else, like an MP3 or some kind of other audio release, you can put a link here. Awesome new tune. Okay, we have some other kind of properties here. I won't go too much into those, but they're statistics and levels and things like that, which is a little bit advanced, but you don't need to know that just yet. Okay, so we can't create it just yet. There's something wrong. Okay, preview image. So we need a preview image. So I'm actually just going to create Up out of here. And you know, you can just create your preview image as a still from the video. Okay, so I just made a still from the video there, and I'm gonna grab it. There we go. Okay, so that's my preview image. Now I'm gonna create that. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for OpenSea to create it. Okay, so we've created an item. So this on OpenSea is an item, it's not an NFT just yet, so we need to go to sell in order to set that up. So this is what the page will look like when somebody goes to try and buy your NFT. So you can just double check on things there. I'm going to hit sell. Now, we can set a price. Okay, so I'm going to set this price at a fixed or declining price, or you can set it as a highest bidder, so auction highest bidder, or group this others to sell. So if you have a collection, you group it with other items and sell it as part of a bundle. But what we're going to do is I'm going to make it a set price. I'm going to keep it pretty low. Well, first of all, I'm going to maybe just do 0.1 Ethereum. Okay. I think it's going to cost me about 0.03 Ethereum to mint to create it. So I'm just going to sell it for, actually no, I'm going to do a highest bid. So minimum bid 0.1, reserve price, let's say 1. Expiration date 5 days. Okay. So I'm going to post this. All right, so I have to initialize my account. Okay, I've got a signature request, so I'm going to sign that. Okay, so my listing has been successful. So then you can stick in your email address and it will let you know when your listing sells. And that's it. There's obviously lots of different things you can do, lots of different types of videos, but it's pretty much as easy as that. You know, you can use Rotor to make your NFT super fast. All you need is a little bit of cash to set up your NFT and a few dollars to set up your Rotor account, and you're good to go. Okay, hope you have fun making NFTs.